everybody, welcome to the Melbourne market at the Capiri site. First of all, before we start, thank you for pushing the likes, thank you for sharing the video, and thank you for following us. And please keep following us, keep sharing the video and liking it. So today we are going to talk about what is happening right now fruit-wise, because the Queensland season is about to finish and it's already begun the South Australian season, and soon after we'll follow the Victorian season. So let's go and have a look the fruit. And here we are inside the Capiri Bros market stand. And well, today, like we said, we're going to talk about the South Australia season, and you can see already the first look came in from South Australia. We're talking about South Australia. It's coming from South Australia. You know, this South Australia is famous for this heirloom, which is a very old varieties and different from the usual gourmet aroma that you're taking. So let's have a look at it. We got the flat and ribs. They call it flat because they're obviously they're flat, and they got ribs. Yeah, we got the brown, right? The pink, right, nice and pink, and the yellow, which the beginning are green like any other tomato, and the yellow, there is the color up in yellow. Now, what's the difference between these tomatoes and the usual normal gourmet or Roma tomato? They grow differently, they grow funny, they grow in different shapes, in different ways. But what is beauty is all these varieties, flavor and texture. They're sweeter, or they're a bit more, let's say, spicy, but they're also more meaty. So they don't have the jelly and the seeds, many seeds like the other gourmet aroma has, but they're more meaty. But the most meaty is my favorite, which is the Oxheart right here. The Oxheart. The Oxheart is like me, nice, chubby, bello pasciutello. You know what is the beauty about these tomatoes? First of all, there's many ways to eat it. Now you can see it's coming in different shapes, very ribby, full of ribs, and inside full of pulp. So if you cut nice slices and thick, you can leave it on your plate with oregano, olive oil, salt, mozzarella, whatever. You eat it like that, or in a sandwich, a nice thick slice, you put it in a sandwich, all like this, which is and when you finish the dinner, you finish your dinner with a cafe, nice coffee, un amaro, a limoncello, so you get a little bit drunk, so your husband looks a bit better, looks like I don't know, Brad Pitt.
I don't think so.
And you're gonna have a beautiful night. So thank you very much. Thank you for following us. I hope you like it. Please, bam, push the like and share the video. I'm gonna drink my Chinotto because my beautiful boss offered me a Chinotto before. It's my favorite drink he knows. I love you. I'll see you next time.